Alright, going downhill to the next official weekend of July 11th, 2024. Seeing haze here, 2046. Coming to you from Ladysmith along the Canadian National's Superior Submain. This time nearby milepost 353.88 with a video lined up for you. We're going to have the arrival of the southbound Woodtick of the L564 81 of the 11th that came down from Pokegama and did a couple of pickups from Hayward Junction and Stone Lake, and it is about to make its arrival for here to pick up the 17 sand loads from today's 519-81 of the 11th, CM54 54 and the 5736. So for this roll by, we're going to find out who is doing the honors for this pass, as yesterday's 564 had the 5484 and the 5407. Now we just gotta know who's doing the honors for this run. That's what I need to know. So we're gonna find out in just a bit. Okay, reposition now to north end of Ladysmith Yard a bit further, and you can see the 519 power on standby on that far track where the 17 loads and 564 is picking up, is waiting for them. And to the right of shot is the power that came in on the 77251 of the 3rd back on July 10th with the CN 8811 and the 3117. So as of right now, we're going to check out the roll by the 564 as it may have made the cut for coming over here with the power to add those 17 sand loads onto their train. Alright, 2055, the power is now making the approach. So he is doing the honors as we'll lean back. It's none other than the 5445, the rare Canadian E-Bell. Dash 92691 is also helping out for this occasion. How about that? Well, supposedly, I guess I better let the 564 do the work in the meantime. But at least I thought I'd find out who's doing the honors for tonight's 564 anyway. So that'll do it for tonight's L564 81 of the 11th. And we'll, excuse me, do it for the SD60 of the 5445, sporting the rare Canadian E-Bell. and -9 2691. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great night. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. See ya and haze out.